इस वीडियो में हम कंटेंट राइटिंग और कॉपी राइटिंग के मेन डिफरेंसेस को देखेंगे और हम ये भी देखेंगे कि क्लाइंट्स एक कंटेंट राइटर को या फिर एक कॉपी राइटर को किस पर्पस से हायर करते हैं। सो कंटेंट राइटिंग एंड कॉपी राइटिंग में काफ़ी ओवरलैप्स आते हैं, काफ़ी सिमिलैरिटीज़ होती हैं दोनों में, क्योंकि कंटेंट राइटिंग इज़ द अम्ब्रेला टर्म दैट वी यूज़ फॉर एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ रिटन कंटेंट, whereas copywriting is one branch of content writing. अब एक मेन डिफरेंस जो कंटेंट राइटिंग और कॉपी राइटिंग में आता है वो है इसके पर्पस में, इसके गोल्स में। सो कंटेंट राइटिंग से आपका गोल हमेशा होता है रीडर्स को वैल्यूएबल इंफॉर्मेशन देना, रीडर्स को किसी गिवन टॉपिक पे एजुकेट करना और उनको रेलिवेंट कंटेंट देना। जबकि कॉपी राइटिंग का मेन पर्पस होता है सेलिंग। कॉपी राइटिंग का मेन पर्पस होता है टू गेट कन्वर्जन्स फॉर योर ब्रांड और फॉर योर क्लाइंट्स. So, through content writing, you will always be focused on informing your audience or educating them or entertaining them. Content writing में आप direct selling नहीं करेंगे of your product या service, ये आप करेंगे copy writing में. Copy writing किसी भी उस text को आप कहेंगे जिससे आपका brand आपके audience के सामने आ रहा है from a selling perspective. So in copywriting you will very directly be revealing what the brand is about, जबकि content writing में आप इनडायरेक्टली अपने ब्रांड को मेंशन कर सकते हैं, लेकिन योर मेन एम शुड बी टू एजुकेट योर ऑडियंस ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक. दिस इज़ वाई कंटेंट राइटिंग इज़ रिलेटिवली ईजी, क्योंकि कंटेंट राइटिंग में काफ़ी डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ राइटिंग आ जाती हैं, काफ़ी डिफरेंट डोमेन्स हैं जो आप एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं, बहुत डिफरेंट फॉर्मेट्स हैं ऑफ राइटिंग जो आप कर सकते हैं, एंड यू कैन ऑलवेज सी व्हाट यू आर मोस्ट कंफर्टेबल विद एंड यू कैन ऑलवेज डू दैट. Whereas copywriting is a skill that's more in demand, it's more higher paying, because copywriting is the main service जो आप clients को offer कर सकते हैं जिनसे उनकी customer base increase होगी, जिससे उनके business को फ़ायदा होगा through conversions. कंटेंट राइटिंग में आप बहुत एक सटल टोन यूज़ करते हैं व्हेन यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट योर ब्रांड. द वे यू गो अबाउट इट इज़ कि आप पहले किसी टॉपिक के बारे में रीडर को एजुकेट करेंगे, इन्फॉर्म करेंगे, उस टॉपिक के बारे में डिटेल में आपके रीडर को इन्फॉर्म करेंगे. वेराज विद कॉपी राइटिंग आप एक बहुत डायरेक्ट और एक बहुत परस्यूएसिव टोन यूज़ करेंगे सो दैट दे कैन इंस्टेंटली टेल डू दे वांट टू गेट योर प्रोडक्ट और सर्विस. Content writing requires you to be creative with your words, whereas with copywriting you this is more market oriented, this is more marketing oriented, so you have to be more creative in the ways that you can sell your product. आपको कॉपी राइटिंग में वर्ड्स के साथ इतनी क्रिएटिविटी की ज़रूरत नहीं है जितनी आपको वो मेथड्स में क्रिएटिविटी लानी पड़ेगी. आपको यूनिक मेथड सोचने पड़ेंगे जिससे आप एक ही प्रोडक्ट को या एक ही सर्विस को बार बार अपने टारगेट ऑडियंस के सामने रख सकें, उसे सेल करने के पर्पज़ से. कंटेंट राइटिंग क्योंकि लॉन्ग फॉर्म आर्टिकल्स होते हैं, इन डेप्थ रीड्स होती हैं, इंफॉर्मेटिव टेक्स्ट होता है, तो देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ फोकस ऑन द क्वालिटी ऑफ कंटेंट. अगर आपकी क्वालिटी ऑफ द कंटेंट अच्छी होगी तो आपकी ऑडियंस भी आप पे रिलाई करेगी, आप पे ट्रस्ट करेगी, एंड दे विल कीप कमिंग बैक टू यू फॉर मोर content, and that in turn can build a level of loyalty and trust, जिससे वो eventually जब आप अपना प्रोडक्ट भी सेल करेंगे तो वो आपकी टारगेट ऑडियंस आपसे खरीदेगी. On the other hand, copywriting is all about quick short term gains. आपका मेन फोकस ही ये है कि आपने एक सेल बनानी है as soon as the reader comes on your copy and reads your copy. So it's all about quick and short text. Content writing, again, the main focus is on educating the audience and only slightly introducing them to your brand. ये आप सटल तरीके में इस तरह से करते हैं कि आप पहले एक ऑडियंस के साथ ट्रस्ट बिल्ड करते हैं by showing them that you know what you're talking about, by showing them that you are a reliable source of information, and only then will you tell them that you are a brand that can help you with a certain thing, or maybe you can mention other brands. अगर आपका client का brand है तो you will mention that in your article कि this is one of the brands that can maybe help you with this. Copywriting, on the other hand, will focus on exactly what benefit the customer will get from your service. Copywriting में एक concept है the power of you. This means कि even more than you mention your brand name, even more than you mention your product, you want to show the customer how their life will be better with the product or service that you're offering them. So you should always focus on what the customer, on what you, the customer, will benefit from the service or from the offer that you're giving to them. Your main purpose with content writing is to produce information, is to reproduce information, to repurpose it, and to produce it in a way that your clients can, that your readers can trust you. Whereas copywriting may, you want to focus on producing marketing material, and with copywriting, you want to make the reader visualize how, again, their life will be better with the product or service that you are offering them, because that is a very surefire way of making sales, which is your eventual aim with copywriting. So, why do businesses then hire content writers? If a client or a company hires you as a content writer, it means that they are now ready to put out information pieces to their target audience. This means that a business wants to start educating their target audience about their niche, about a certain topic. So, in order to do so, they want you to capture the essence of their brand and then reflect it in the written content that their potential customers will read. कंटेंट राइटर्स इस वजह से बिजनेसेस हायर करते हैं ताकि वो ब्रांड की विजन को, ताकि वो ब्रांड के थीम को रिफ्लेक्ट कर सकें थ्रू वर्ड्स एंड पुट दैट in front of their target audience, so that their target audience can start reading those pieces of information that you will write, and then begin to trust the brand and keep coming to it for more information. So, as a content writer, you will have certain responsibilities. The main one will be that you will complete writing orders. आपके clients आपको deliverables देंगे, orders देंगे writing के, and you will be responsible for fulfilling those. As a content writer, you will get a lot of client exposure as well, in the sense that you will get to work with customers to define their content needs. There's a lot of liberty as a content writer to be able to tell your clients, to be able to guide them about what direction their content should take. As a content writer, you also need to be very sharp with research. Remember, if you're a writer and if you want to keep getting better at writing, then you should always be in research mode, because this is how you'll get better, this is how you'll be able to practice. आपकी research बहुत ज़रूरी है, especially if you're a beginner, but even if you reach an expert level, you should always be in research mode, ताकि आप अपना client base भी बढ़ा सकें और आप एक range of topics पे अच्छा content लिख सकें. You should always brainstorm, ideate, come up with new and intriguing ways to produce content, and you should make sure that the content that you're producing is relevant and it is very meaningful for your audience. Remember, at the end of the day, as a content writer, you are providing value to your audience, so your content needs to be in accordance to that. कंटेंट राइटर्स के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है कि वो डेडलाइंस मीट करें, स्पेशली इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग टू बिल्ड अ क्लाइंट बेस एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू इम्प्रेस योर क्लाइंट्स, एंड इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू फॉलो देयर डेडलाइंस एंड दैट यू ऑल्सो फॉलो देयर कंटेंट रिक्वायरमेंट्स इन टर्म्स ऑफ द स्टाइल एंड द प्रोजेक्ट स्पेसिफिकेशंस. आप जिन भी क्लाइंट्स के साथ काम करेंगे, हर क्लाइंट की डिफरेंट रिक्वायरमेंट्स होंगी, डिफरेंट प्रोजेक्ट डिटेल्स होंगी, इंस्ट्रक्शंस होंगे. सो ऑलवेज बी श्योर टू फॉलो दैट, डोंट स्ट्रे अवे फ्रॉम इट. और अगर आप कोई वैल्यूएबल इनपुट दे सकते हैं क्लाइंट को टूवर्ड्स मेकिंग अ बेटर कंटेंट स्ट्रैटेजी, देन डू दैट. बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे, you want to make your clients happy, so always be sure to fulfill what they want. As a writer, I would always recommend that you don't take feedback to heart, and in fact, आप किसी भी फीडबैक को अगर आपका क्लाइंट आपको देता है तो यू शुड बी ओपन टू इट. यू शुड ऑलवेज बी रेडी टू इनकॉर्पोरेट इट बैक इनटू योर आर्टिकल्स, ताकि आप अपने राइटिंग को बेटर कर सकें. एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ फीडबैक, एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्टिव क्रिटिसिज्म शुड ऑलवेज बी वेलकम बाय यू. अगर कोई क्लाइंट चेंजेस रिक्वेस्ट करता है, ऑलवेज बी ओपन टू इट, बिकॉज एट द एंड ऑफ द डे you want to be on the same page with your client, and that will happen through give and take of feedback. Finally, you will be responsible for creating style guides, or, as I said, suggesting any changes or any valuable additions that the client can make to ensure that the content that you produce is consistent and clear and aligns with their brand theme. कॉपी राइटर्स एक बिजनेस या एक क्लाइंट हायर करते हैं टू राइट स्पेसिफिकली मार्केटिंग कंटेंट. दिस मीन्स के द बिजनेस और द क्लाइंट दैट हायर्स यू wants a salesperson who knows the craft of selling without selling. If you don't know what the art of selling without selling is, then I would suggest कि आप इस VBC में एक और कोर्स है, The Art of Selling Without Selling. You should go back and refer to that. As a copywriter, you will also be required to be creative about the method of selling an idea. Like I mentioned before, you don't have to be as creative with words over here as you have to be with the unique ways in which you can present your offer to the target audience. So, as a copywriter, you will be required to be very skilled with word placement. Copywriting, creative writing नहीं है. Copywriting is more about knowing के कौन से words कहाँ जाते हैं so that you can successfully capture the eye of your audience, because as we all know, online platforms पे कोई एक एक normal average reader की attention span 3 to 4 seconds से ज़्यादा नहीं होती. So you want to make sure that you utilize that time by providing very quick and easy to read content that they can instantly understand, they can digest, and that they can then get sold on to make a purchase. With your words, you want to entice a buyer to make a purchase or subscribe to your offer. Your language will be very persuasive when it comes to writing copy. You will also be responsible for defining the approach of the brand towards the audience. This is very important because एक brand image build होगा आपकी copy से. आप जिस भी brand के लिए काम कर रहे हैं उसकी emails जाएंगी, उसके landing pages बनेंगे, उसकी website पे copy जाएगी. So all of this needs to align with the brand theme and it needs to be very consistent. So you will be creating that brand voice. So you need to make sure that the brand voice aligns with the theme of the business. With your copy, you want to speak to your audience, you want to appeal to their emotional side. This is very important because एक किसी भी सेल बनाने के लिए it is more important that you connect with your audience rather than you directly try to sell them on it. आपने customers भगाने नहीं है. You want to make them feel very comfortable with you. You want to make them feel secure with your company, with your brand. So you want to really know what emotions you have to appeal to. As a copywriter, you will be creating a sense of urgency. This is not a bad thing. This is a very important part about marketing or making sales. There are certain words you आप use करेंगे to create that sense of urgency so that your target audience feels like they shouldn't miss out on the offer that you're providing them because it is that good. तो इसके थोड़े से कुछ वर्ड्स होते हैं जो आप एक सेंस ऑफ अर्जेंसी क्रिएट करने के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं. सम एग्जांपल्स आर द वर्ड फ्री, लिमिटेड टाइम ऑफर, वन डे ऑफर, अवेल नाउ. इस तरह की चीज़ें होती हैं. देयर इज़ अ होल लिस्ट. वी विल गो थ्रू इट लेटर ऑन इन द कॉपी राइटिंग वाला मॉड्यूल. But for now, you need to know that this is going to be an important part of copywriting. You also want to adapt according to the circumstances. One prime example of this is the coronavirus pandemic. जो भी businesses circumstances के according, time के according adapt करते हैं and उस तरह से अपने content या copy को tweak करते हैं, those are the ones that can gain the most brand loyalty to their brands, because then their audience will know and they will realize that this is a brand who is up to date, who cares about their customers, and who is very operating in the present. Finally, as a copywriter, you want to be quick, you want to be very fast paced and direct, and you want to come straight to the point when you are talking to your audience, because at the end of the day, as a copywriter, your main job is to create conversions. It is to create sales for your business. So there are some very nice platforms to use when it comes to freelancing as a content or copywriter. Upwork and Fiverr are the best platforms you can use to build your profiles as a freelancer and get to the top. Upwork और Fiverr, ये दोनों platforms पे आपका main aim होना चाहिए to become a top rated freelancer, because that's when you can really establish yourself as an expert level freelancer and then you can charge higher rates per hour. LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram are all very excellent platforms that you can use, that I have used personally as well, to get clients, to reach out to potential brands that might need content writing or copywriting services. क्लाइंट आउटरीच आप इस पे करेंगे आफ्टर यू डू योर रिसर्च. You want to know what clients, what customers could use content writing or copywriting skills and what you can offer them, and then you reach out to them via an email or a personal message. So, as a freelance content writer or copywriter, you obviously want to have success with your clients or with your employers, or even if you're a self owned business, there are certain keys to success that you should follow. The first one is consistency. You should be consistent with the content that you're producing and also with the quality of content that you're producing. When you deal with a lot of clients, you should always make sure that your quality doesn't lack. You also want to be very precise. When it comes to following guidelines, you want to make sure that you're not straying from it. आपको जो guidelines दी गई हैं, आपको जो task दिया गया है, always make sure to only fulfill that. उसके अलावा मतलब don't try to stray far away from it, because your client wants to hire you for to fulfill a certain goal. So always make sure that you're sticking to that and giving them what they want. You also want to be very adaptable. Again, when you deal with many clients, you will want to be very versatile in what you can write and in what you can do. So it is always good. Every client has their own different needs and their own different purposes. So when you're adaptable, it is easier for you to fluctuate between clients. You want to be creative. Again, I've told you before, content writing may you have to be creative with your words. Copywriting may you have to be creative with the thought process behind the copy. You need to come up with unique ways in which you can reproduce the same information over and over again to your target audience. You need to be a very good researcher. You need to have a very strong sense of research. This is again a skill that is very easy to learn and pick up on, because in today's age आपकी सारी research आपको Google पे मिल सकती है. All you need is a phone or a laptop and an internet connection, and you're set. You can you can look up as many sources as you want to get to do that research, and then to put that research into informative pieces of content. Again, you want to adhere to guidelines very strictly. Whatever, if you want client success, then whatever your client asks from you, be sure to be sure to deliver that. You also should be open to feedback. You should have the ability to take feedback and then incorporate it into your articles, into your work. Finally, but very importantly, even if you're a content writer, or even if you're a copywriter, or if you are dealing with clients, with employers, or if you're a business owner who has clients, uh, your commitment should be towards value addition. This is a skill that you want to earn from, but you can only earn big from it when you're more focused on providing value to your customers, because they are going to pay you in order to provide in order to get that value, in order to get your expertise. So we're at the end of this lecture, and I want you to do this exercise. This is a case study. You're applying as a content writer on a job post. Let's say कि आप Upwork पे हैं और आपको एक job post नज़र आती है content writing की. So now you're applying as a content writer on it. I want you to write your first proposal to this client, highlighting why they should hire you and what you can offer them. Remember what I told you about the art, about the power of you. I want you to focus here on what benefit this client can get from the services that you're offering. ये अभी perfect नहीं होगा, obviously. It's not important that it's perfect at this stage, because over the length of this course we will be working on whatever you write, including any proposals to clients.